Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello viewers, subscribers, future engineers and students. Here is the last batch of work problems. If you want to develop your thinking skills, then you should prioritize these problems. But if you are hard-headed and stubborn, you may not follow my suggestion. But I'll tell you, these types of problems will help you prepare in your engineering life. It will really develop your thinking skills, and you will not find engineering subjects challenging or difficult in the future unless otherwise you enhance your skills, thinking skills, especially worded problems. So problem 25, 30 laborers can complete the job in 60 days. So meaning to say, one complete job in terms of man days is equal to 30 men working for 60 days. So that would be 1,800 man days. The contractor hired 40 men at the start. However, after 15 days, 20 laborers quit and were not replaced. So meaning to say, these 40 men have worked for 15 days. And the remaining laborers would be 40 minus 20, 20, working for certain number of days before the job is completed. So find the total number of days it took to complete the job. The total number of days, therefore, is equal to 15 plus the additional number of days where only 20 laborers, 40 minus 20, uh, continued to finish the job. If the contractor specified a penalty of 5,000 pesos per day for each day the completion is delayed, how much did the contractor pay for the penalty? So the penalty is 5,000 pesos per delay or beyond the contract time, which is 60 days, and it would be the number of days extended is equal to the answer to part A minus 60 days. Then if the daily wage for each worker is 150 pesos, how much labor cost did the contractor pay? So it is just 150 pesos per man per day or per laborer per day times the total number of man days, which is 1,800. That's the best way to compute it instead of computing the wages combined per actual number of days worked. Remember that we equate it to the required number of man days which will complete the job. So for the solution, I just write it to shorten the video. So one complete job is equal to 30 times 60 as already explained there, 1,800 man days. Then this is the actual situation. So 40 laborers or men were hired at the start. So 40 working for 15 days. So because we have after 15 days, 20 laborers quit and were not replaced. So plus the number of laborers left would be 40 minus 20 the working for T days. And T is not the total number of days. You should add 15. 15 plus T is the total number of days. Then we equate it to one complete job, which is 1,800 man days, because it is mentioned there that the job is completed. So T is 60 days. Therefore, the total number of days it took to finish the job is 15 plus 60, so 75 days. Then for the penalty, it is 5,000 pesos per day. Since 75 days minus the contract time is 60 days is 15. So meaning to say the job is extended by 15 days. So 5,000 pesos per day times 15 days. So the penalty is 75,000 pesos. And finally, the labor cost is 150 pesos per day per laborer or per man. And since the project requires 1,800 man days to complete, so this is the total labor cost, which is 270,000 pesos. It is the same if you use this actual situation, 40 times 15 times 1,150, 40 times 15 times 150, then plus 20 times 60, because this is 60, t is 60 times another 150. It will give us the same answer of 270,000. Problem 26, a job could be done by 11 workers in 15 days. So one complete job is 11 times 15 days, and that is 165 man days. 5 workers started the job. They were reinforced with 4 more workers at the beginning of the 6th day. So this is at the beginning of the 6th day. Therefore, these 5 workers have worked for 5 days already. And when they were reinforced by 4 more, then their strength becomes 9 workers and working for another 3 days. And the total number of days is similar to this situation here, uh, 15 plus t. So one complete job is equal to 11 times 15, so 165 man days. So this is the actual situation. 5 workers started the job working for 5 days. Then they were reinforced by 4 more. So 5 plus 4, they were 9 working for 3 days, then equals 165 man days. T therefore is 140 over 9 days. So the total number of days it took to complete the job is 5 days plus 140 over 9, where the 9 workers continue or complete the job. Then n is 185 over 9, or 20 and 5 over 9 days. Then lastly, problem 27. A man and a boy can do in 15 days a piece of work which could be done by 7 men and 9 boys in 2 days. In how many days could one boy finish the work alone? So let us call M as the number of days required by one man to finish the job working alone. Then B for the boy. So the rate of the man is 1 over M. So 1 over M, that's the man's rate. And 1 over B is the boy's rate. And we're looking for B. If the boy works alone, then this is the number of days required by the boy to complete the job working alone. So for the first situation, one man, so the rate is 1 over M times one man working for 15 days plus one boy also, 1 over B times one boy, then working also for 15 days equals one complete job. So let's call that equation 1. Then in the second situation, 7 men and 9 boys will also complete the job in 2 days. So 1 over M, rate per man, and there are 7 men in the second situation working for 2 days, then plus rate of one boy, there are 9 boys, so times 9, then working for 2 days also equals one complete job. Simplifying, 14 over M plus 18 over B equals 1. Call that equation 2. So we just imagine 1 over M is the coefficient of 15 or 15 is the coefficient of this variable. Imagine that this x, this is y. That in your calculator, we get 1 over m equals 1 over 20, and 1 over b equals 1 over 60. Therefore, if you solve for b is 60 days. So if the question is, in how many days could one man finish the work, then if only one man will do the job working alone, it will take him 20 days. So that's it for this video.